In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Ad Manager in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, what to click, and how to begin setting up your ads using the built-in Ad Manager. First, log into your Go High Level account and make sure you're in the correct location or workspace for the business you want to run ads for. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on the option labeled Marketing. This is the central hub where Go High Level keeps all of your marketing tools together, including email campaigns, social tools, and of course, the Ad Manager. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. When the marketing section opens, you'll see several options. Find and click on Ad Manager. This is where you'll manage your paid ads, typically connected to platforms like Facebook or Google, depending on what your account allows. Clicking on Ad Manager will open a new page or panel dedicated to your advertising setup and performance. On this Ad Manager home screen, you may see a prompt or a section inviting you to start or connect your ad accounts. At this stage, you'll want to select the appropriate option that applies to you. For most new users, that will be the option to start setting up Ad Manager from scratch, or to connect an existing ad account. Take a moment to read any labels or descriptions on the screen so you choose the right one. If you manage multiple businesses or ad accounts, double check that you're selecting the one that matches your current location. Once you've made your selection, click on the button that says Get Started. This is the key action that begins the initial setup process for Ad Manager inside Go High Level. After you click Get Started, the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts may include connecting your advertising platform, granting permissions, confirming your business details, or setting basic preferences for your ads. Simply follow each instruction on the screen carefully. Read each step, confirm any access requests, and click Next or Continue as needed. When you reach the end of these prompts, your Ad Manager will be set up